So we're just getting ready to go outside so we can go in the garage for a sec. So I can show you guys something. And I'll see you guys in the garage. Well, now outside. So going in the garage for a second. So, as you know, guys, okay, I'm just going to take the bike out for a sec, so you might see it, so you can see it well. I'm just going to take the bike out. I've never ever done this on video. I've never done this on video before. Holy break. That's better. Got it. I'm gonna take it over here. There you guys go. That was hard. Alright, that was okay. Alright. Well, here it is. The dirt bike. Here's the dirt bike, so if I could start it up right now, that'd be great, but I'm not going to right now. This is my little 50. I play around. I don't know, I just kill this right now. And here's the, Kickstarter. There's the freaking front brake. And this is the Kickstarter. This is the front brake. So, yep. It has 119. Yes. There's the switch. The on, off. There is the air filter. It's kind of dirty. Yep. There is the skid plate. And you go under. There we go. That's what it does look like. That's what it looks like when it's under. And right there is the fuel. And then you just wait. This is the fuel right here. You turn the fuel on like that. Man, it's hard doing it one-handed. What's that person doing? Then you just turn the fuel on. There. That's on, and then this is off. That's off. And then we got our cool Rockstar sticker right there. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. What's that freaking person over there? And then you can see down the pipe, which you really cannot see that. This right here, that is it. It connects. That connects to that, and then this connects to this big thing, I guess. Here's the engine. Well, the engine's see the engine right here, the side. Put the starter right. And there's the right here would be the not gas. It would be the oil. That's the oil part. And then I'm not really sure what that spring is there for, but it's there for something. That right here, this tube, the gas will come out of it right there, under there.